just glossy, I ain't trying to keep it concealed. Oh mama, I want it, just let it fall on. If you tell me that you want it, baby, it's a done deal. Oh mama, I want it, oh. Why you acting like you gotta wait for it, honey? I know I've been in your head like shea butter, honey. You go out and tell your friends that we ain't none. They be in the group chat knowing that it ain't 100. Tell your ex-man brush up on his openers, cause I'm in California trying to put you where the ocean is. Hit the text late like you just now opened it. Yeah, I believe that. Oh, and I know you think you're still on the low, but I heard how you feel from everybody you know. Oh, you just glossy, I ain't tryna keep it concealed. Oh mama, I want it, just let it fall. If you tell me that you want it, baby, it's a done deal. Oh mama, I want it, oh. How you scared of making plans when your friends all calling me your man? How you pull up in the pants and you saying you don't even wanna dance? If you tell me that you want it, baby, it's a done deal. Oh mama, I want it, oh. Hey, put it in a G-Cal, I just wanna see you with a spot round. Hey, you ain't gotta tag me, I can meet an arm in the background, babe. And I know when you working as a hostess, they be tryna let you out late. But how late? Cause I'll be at the next place calling a date. Okay. And I know you think you're still on the low, but I heard how you feel from everybody you know. Oh, you just glossy, I ain't tryna keep it concealed. Oh mama, I want it, just let it fall. If you tell me that you want it, baby, it's a done deal. Oh mama, I want it, oh. How you scared of making plans when your friends all calling me your man? How you pull up in the pants and you saying you don't even wanna dance? You tell me that you want it, baby, it's a done deal. Oh mama, I want it, oh. I want it, oh. I want it, oh. Stop, wait right here. Let me get you in the moment. Yeah, yeah. Hold up, freeze. Stay right here. Let me get you in focus. Yeah, yeah. All I see is you and me. Slow it down and let it breathe. Hold up, stop. Wait right here. Let me get you in focus. Hey. Okay. You from LA, you been living in Atlanta. You want it all and I ain't even mad at you. Yeah. Pause for the flick, glass half full, baby, can I take a sip? Got them all mad when you looking like this. Told them don't trip. You're all I wanna see, the star of my show. My baby's always HD, can't take my eyes off. I never wanna be on your bad side. Face it, girl, you ain't got a bad side. Got them all beat by landslide. Your pics all over my timeline and they don't lie. So stop, wait right here. Let me get you in the moment. Yeah, yeah. Hold up, freeze. Stay right here. Let me get you in focus. Yeah, yeah. All I see is you and me. Slow it down and let it breathe. Hold up, stop. Hold up. Wait right here. Let me get you in focus. Hey.
So come to the end of this no makeup look. So basically little or no foundation was used, mascara, then I just slightly filled in the strokes on my brows, did my lips, powder, and we're done. Little to no makeup involved, bare minimum, so you can use this for your everyday makeup, clean girl makeup, glass skin makeup. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new here, welcome. Hit the red subscribe button. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave your comments down in the comment section below. Everything used will be listed in the description bar. See you in my next video. Bye.